Hello everyone. Today I will talk about Facebook. Facebook is not only a calling and chatting platform. Facebook is not only you take photo and video then upload, wait for like, share and comment. It's not only like that social media. Facebook is not only like a gaming platform. Facebook is not only like an entertainment platform. Now it's become a knowledge sharing platform, knowledge gain platform, news platform, business platform. You already know a lot of options have in a Facebook, and a lot of person doing business you already saw. And what you do, it's totally your choice. Like I am was a lot of time learning video, information video, and sometimes I also get a entertainment need in our life, but it's need to limit time. I am also play chess. See, it's my profile. I'm playing other person. You see, look, and this is my profile. I'm playing live chess in online, and I also scrolling, chatting. But I have a limit time. Yes, I have limit time, and I also watch some of entertainment video, funny video, but sometimes not too much. Most of the time, I try to learn from Facebook. I watch information video, learning video, but what you do, it's totally your choice. Actually, in Facebook, most of the person they are used for entertainment, and 90% people they are used for entertainment, but 10% people they are doing business, learning, sharing knowledge. Yes, but what do you do? I say again, it's totally your choice. But here have a lot of option. It's not only tiny social media. It's a big social media, big knowledge sharing platform, big business platform. It's totally your choice. You already know I make a video and I try to upload in social media. Like I came our village and in the morning time I came cut gash and then I take a video, then I upload in social media, Facebook. Actually, I am trying to improve myself, and what I know, I try to share my knowledge in Facebook, and that's why I try to practice. I am try to learning, and if you say you don't scroll or chatting, yes, I can, I do, and I also do. Like I also watch some of funny video, entertainment video. Yes, I was, but I try to watch some of time. I not watch every day. When I go in the really, that's time. If I watch, I not come back. So that's problem. Yes, I realize that. Like I scrolling a lot of time video coming. I take entertainment. My mind is becoming good, and I realize my dopamine is released. Easy things. Yes, like scrolling and take entertainment long time 1 or 2 hours. Actually, it's easy way to release my dopamine. I not focus others hard things for learning or something. So it's very weird. I realize. So I try to watch 5 minutes, 10 minutes, don't every day. I was a lot of time I watch entertainment funny video. Yes, it's have an option. Sometimes I do, but I try to do everything. Most of the time I try to watch learning video and information video. But what you will be do, it's totally your choice. Thank you everyone.